This video before anything else is to tell you that it is really possible to hope that your breakfast can deliver everything you need on the day. You just need to experience Java Burn in your morning routine that you are about to see your metabolism accelerate automatically. Java Burn. It instantly stimulates your metabolism, and no more cardio or workout hours. Nothing could put your body in a fat burning mode for the rest of the day, allowing you to enjoy all with your favorite foods totally blameless, knowing that you are still automatically and effortlessly losing weight, and melting the most stubborn chubbies of your hips, belly, back and thighs. And if in addition to losing localized fat, you still enjoy a whole day of disposition and well-being. What do you think? The world's first and only 100% safe and natural proprietary, patent-pending formula, that when combined with coffee, can increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism, while instantly boosting your health, energy and well-being at the same time. There's never been anything even close to Java Burn ever attempted. As myself, my team, my entire family at Broken Bar and tens of thousands of everyday women and men can attest to Broken Bar electrifying your metabolism, a Broken Bar torching off fat from your problem areas, a Broken Bar enjoying incredible all-day energy, a Broken Bar reducing hunger and improving your health. A Broken Bar could not be any simpler, easier or more automatic. A Broken Bar. Just enjoy your morning coffee with an instantly dissolvable, tasteless packet of Java Burn, a Broken Bar, and let the revolutionary science of nutritional synergy do the rest. That's really all there is to it. Only Java Burn allows you to know what it feels like to have both parts of your metabolism working in overdrive for you instead of against you. A Broken Bar. To have your fat burning furnace burning hotter than ever before, and to have more fat and calories being shuttled into it to be burned. A Broken Bar, an unbelievable position to be in. Yet, before you order, know that research shows it's best to take a packet of Java Burn with your morning coffee for at least 90 to 180 days to experience optimal results. The science is clear: the longer and more consistently you take Java Burn, the more you will benefit. So, to make sure you experience the most impactful, life-changing results possibly, Broken Bar. How much Java Burn should I order? Research shows it's best to take Java Burn consistently for at least 90 to 180 days to experience optimal results. The longer and more consistently you take Java Burn, the more you will benefit. Therefore, we strongly recommend you take advantage of our best deal 180-day supply package, or our almost just as popular 90-day deep discount package. We're only able to guarantee this special pricing for today or until our limited inventory runs out, and we're selling out of our current stock fast. The fact is, we guarantee you'll never be able to buy Java Burn cheaper than today, which is another important reason why picking up at least 90-180 days worth is definitely the smart option. Is Java Burn safe? Java Burn is absolutely 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands of folks enjoy taking Java Burn every day, and there have been absolutely zero side effects reported. Every packet of Java Burn is manufactured here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA approved and GMP, good manufacturing practices, certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. Java Burn is 100% all natural, vegetarian, gluten-free and non-GMO. As always, if you have a medical condition, it's recommended to consult with your doctor. Will Java Burn work for me? In a word, yes. There has never been anything else like Java Burn ever even attempted in the history of health. Java Burn is the world's first and only 100% safe and natural proprietary patent-pending formula, that when combined with coffee, is scientifically proven to increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism to deliver unparalleled fat-burning results. Will Java Burn affect my coffee in any way? Absolutely not. Java Burn is totally tasteless and dissolves instantly into your coffee, a Broken Bar, and it works just as well regardless of what kind of coffee you drink or what you like to put in it. What is the best way to take Java Burn? For best results, simply mix a single packet of Java Burn into your coffee each morning, then enjoy your coffee as normal with or without food. Do I have to take Java Burn in the morning? No, you do not. You can enjoy and benefit from Java Burn at any time of the day. However, for best results, It is recommended to take 1 packet of Java Burn with your morning coffee to maximize its effectiveness throughout the day. Does Java Burn work with other beverages? The individual nutrients in Java Burn may offer health benefits when taken with other beverages. However, Java Burn contains a proprietary, patent-pending formula of 100% natural ingredients that are designed to work synergistically with coffee to ignite metabolism and to create the most ideal environment for fat burning. How will Java Burn be shipped to me and how quickly? We will ship your order directly to your home or office using a premium carrier such as FedEx or UPS. And if you're in the US or Canada, you can expect your order within 5 to 7 business days. International orders typically take 8 to 15 business days, plus customs clearance time. Rush shipping is available. Will I be billed anything else after I order? Absolutely not. Rest assured, this is a one-time payment only. This is not an auto-ship program of any kind. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees whatsoever. I've always hated that stuff as much as you do. Is Java Burn guaranteed? Java Burn is backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee to make getting started an absolute no-brainer for you. If Java Burn doesn't turn out to be the best decision you've ever made, or if you change your mind for any reason whatsoever, just email us at support@javaburn.com anytime in the next 60 days and we'll refund you the purchase price right away. My team and I are extremely easy to get a hold of. There's simply no risk to you. It's time to get started. I drink coffee and I can't think of any reason not to use Java Burn. Am I missing something? Nope, absolutely not. Allowing Java Burn to enhance your health, energy and metabolism is a total no-brainer. Smile. I'm going to provide you with a special opportunity to secure 180 days worth of Java Burn, or 90 days worth today at astounding, one-time discounts, which will save you significantly more money on top of today's already special low pricing. That said, I'm only able to guarantee this special pricing for today or until our limited inventory runs out. The attractiveness of these special buy more and save more packages is causing us to sell out of our current stock way faster than anyone could have ever anticipated. A broken bar. So if these major savings are still available, I'd highly recommend taking advantage of them while you still can. Also, I just need to be super clear about a few things. You'll never be able to buy Java Burn cheaper than today. A broken bar and Java Burn will never be available for purchase at any other website or store. We're only able to offer today's incredible pricing because we've eliminated all middlemen and agents and have partnered directly with the industry-leading manufacturer so that we can ship directly to you right away. Furthermore, rest assured, this is a one-time payment. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees whatsoever. I've always hated that stuff as much as you do. So, provided Java Burn is still in stock, you'll see a table below this video with 3 money-saving options for you to choose from. Select your package and then click the Add to Cart button to proceed to our 256-bit secure order page. Then fill in your order information and confirm your order on our 100% safe and secure order form and we'll get your package sent directly to your door, right away. I really want you to have this 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee to make trying Java Burn an absolute no-brainer for you. Offer for limited time. Here are the kits for you to choose, recalling that for an ideal result it is recommended to use Java Burn consistently for at least 90 to 180 days. Then the 3-bag kit 90 days supply is the most indicated if you really want to have significant results. Special price not guaranteed until today. Important to give this information that I am sharing with you in this video. The way you are sure of your purchases you are acquiring the real product, it is with the official website of the manufacturer is this, that I'm leaving in the description, and the reason why you should only purchase the product through that website is that this product is becoming so popular that a lot of companies are basically making fake copies of that. If you want to avoid this kind of fraud, you should just check the information and especially acquire the product on the official website, which is the only one in the description below. That's what I hope this video has been useful. Clear. If you have had experience with this product, share your experience about it in the comments so you can help more people. Thanks for watching.